Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Blackbeard English Linguistics and Literature. We are going to start a special spoken English course for you guys. In this course, we have divided different things for weeks. So, in the first week, we are going to work on day to day conversation. On the second week, we will teach you English sounds and pronunciation. In the third week, we will work on accent development, and on the fourth week, we will teach you grammar uses. In the fifth week, we will work on common mistakes that we make in our language, in our spoken and written forms. In the sixth week, we will teach you public speaking ideas. On the seventh week, we will work on interview strategies and body language. And on the last and eighth week, we will work on listening skill development and we will conduct mock interviews of our students. So this course is going to very helpful for you guys. This is going to help you a long way, and that is my promise to you. And in return of all this, I need your dedication, I need your confidence. This time is going to be a very helpful to you guys, and now it's up to you to be remain dedicated or not. I will try my best to install best level potential in you, which can make you a better speaker ever. Apart from all this, since I'm to teach you, I'm to lead you, so most of the material, spoken material, is a responsibility of you guys. You are to speak, so I will be giving you hints. I will be giving you tasks. So in this course, you will find a new way of spoken English, of learning spoken English ideas. So ये कोर्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होने जा रहा है आप लोगों के लिए. तो अगर आप हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड रहते हैं तो आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, बहुत नए आइडियाज़ सीखने को मिलेंगे. एंड अगर आप इसमें कुछ ऐड करवाना चाहें अपने तौर पर, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ ख़ास चीज़ सीखना चाहते हैं और आपको उस बारे में आइडियाज़ क्लियर नहीं है, आप कमेंट में अपने राय का इजहार कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर बीइंग कनेक्टेड विद अस, subscribe our channel for updates, and don't forget to suggest us from your important ideas. If you find it helpful, do share with it your friends. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.